Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates of my channel. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today it's going to be a haul video, Club Factory haul. So I have purchased some products from Club Factory. So I have come across this Club Factory through online, Facebook and Instagram. So in the beginning నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను whether it's a genuine site or the fake one, and I have come across few reviews too. Reviews చూసాను and reviews చదివాను the from other యూట్యూబర్స్ చాలా యూట్యూబర్స్ పర్చేస్ చేసినట్టు క్లబ్ ఫ్యాక్టరీలో కొన్ని ఐటమ్స్ చూసాను. అండ్ దెన్ ఐఎమ్ అ బిట్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ అనుకున్నాను. ఓకే ఫైన్, యూ క్యాన్ బై ఇట్. సో దెన్ they don't have COD. Usually I used to pay through cash on delivery. So and then later on I paid through online. Online ద్వారానే పే చేయాలి. సో పర్చేస్ చేశాను ఫ్యూ ఐటమ్స్, అబౌట్ 2000 పర్చేస్ చేశాను. ఇఫ్ యూ పర్చేస్ అబౌవ్ 1150 యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ ది ఫ్రీ డెలివరీ. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ పర్చేస్డ్ ఫర్ 2200 రూపీస్. సో మోస్ట్లీ నేను జ్యువెలరీయే కొన్నాను, ఎందుకంటే డ్రెస్సెస్ సైజెస్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉంటుందో తెలీదు, అండ్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ రిటర్న్ ప్రాసెస్ అవన్నీ ఎలా అని చాలా డౌట్ ఉండేది. సో ఫుట్వేర్ ఐ మీన్ ది సైజెస్ ప్రాపర్గా ఉండదు. సో అందుకని అవన్నీ అవాయిడ్ చేసేసి ఓన్లీ ది జ్యువెలరీ, అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ మెనీ ఐటమ్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. జ్యువెలరీ ఉంది, హోమ్ డెకర్ ఐటమ్స్, ఇంటీరియర్ ఐటమ్స్, అండ్ ఫుట్వేర్, డ్రెస్సెస్ ఫర్ మెన్ అండ్ విమెన్. సో కిడ్స్కి కూడా ఇప్పుడు లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నారు యాక్చువల్లీ. సో coming back to my review on the products which I have purchased, let's start actually. So chudandi, it's a beautiful chain, but I did not expect these threads actually. Threads నేను expect చేయలేదు. I thought it's a chain actually, black metal chain ఉంటుందేమో అనుకున్నాను, but it's a thread and this is for 100 rupees. So I thought it's really high in price. According to this material, it's really high in price actually, and this chain goes well for western wear and ethnic wear too. So next chain, this is another metal chain. It's really pretty with the blue beads in it. I love the finish actually. It really goes well with the plain tops, high neck tops. Chala బాగుంటుంది. This is another chain with the golden metal finish. It's a choker kind of chain. It's beautiful actually. This even goes for western wear. I mean, it looks pretty with western wear, I guess, yeah. And this is the feather earrings, white feather earrings, long one actually, and it's really pretty, and this is for 100 rupees. So, and this is another step chain, and this goes really well with the deep necks actually, and that's for 80 rupees, I guess. Yeah, this chain is for 80 rupees. Gold metal chain is for 100 rupees, I guess. Yeah, 100 rupees. White metal chain is also for 150 rupees, yeah, not more than that. This is another metal earrings, long one, just really pretty and goes very well with the straight kurtas, ethnic wear, any ethnic wear, yeah. So this is for 110 rupees. Yeah. And this is a single stud earring. You have to wear it when you make your braid on one side or make your hairstyle on one side. You have to wear it on the other side, so it looks good. And there's another stone earring which is decently designed, and this is for 130 rupees. I thought it's really less in price in this design. I've got another ring, finger ring, with the black, big black stone on top of it and the antique finish on sides. So, yeah. And it's a two-piece ring, finger ring. Crown kind of design. Looks really pretty. And another small stud earring in the triangle shape. And what else? One more earring. It's a U-shape earring. Beautiful piece. This is for 110 rupees. The prices are really cheaper and good. Every earring is only, it only touches 100 rupees, not more than that. But this is again a 150 rupees earring with the green and white stones. You can wear it for any festive occasions and for weddings. It is really beautiful. See? It's really beautiful. And that's it from the jewelry section. And I have purchased few gadget accessories for my phone and iPad. And unfortunately, only one case suited my iPhone. The other two are little smaller in size. Actually, they have provided the iPhone 6 case instead of providing 7, so I couldn't exchange the products. Exchanging process is so difficult when it comes to this site. ఈ సైట్లో ఎక్స్చేంజింగ్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టం. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను మెసేజ్ చేశాను, దేర్ రిప్లై వాస్ టూ లేట్ అండ్ ఐ డి నాట్ సీ దేర్ రిప్లై. వెన్ ఐ సా దేర్ రిప్లై, వెన్ ఐ రిప్లైడ్ దెమ్, so they lately it took some time. They don't reply within 2 or 3 hours. They take 24 hours, I guess. Yeah, so that was the only difficult task with them. Our process నాకు నచ్చలేదు actually. It's an international shipping. You cannot even send it to them, and the contacting process is so difficult. So I hope they change that. And this is the case, and this is for iPhone 6 actually. It's a pretty one. I got it for 198 rupees, so it's a pretty one. So it did not suit my phone because I have iPhone 7. And this is another case which is for 130 rupees, and again this is a smaller size, but it's actually a rubber one, so I can fit in, but it will show, right? It is actually for iPhone 6. So, and the third one is this big eyes case with the furry ball. I love this case with the glittery background finish, and it suited my iPhone 7, and I'm happy with this case. And this one is for iPad, the printed iPad case, and I have ordered for iPad Air actually, and they have sent me the iPad case. So it's again a wrong product. I couldn't send back. So, but I'm happy with the quality. Though it's a China product, I'm happy with the quality, and the only drawback is the exchanging process. So apart from that, I'm happy with the jewelry quality and designs. So uh, I forgot to show this. It's a soap tray actually. I purchased this for my son, and this is for 50 rupees. Yeah, I got 2 soap trays for 50 rupees. So I'm happy with this. So yeah, the quality is good. Quality is good. So yeah, that's it guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. And క్లబ్ ఫ్యాక్టరీలో పర్చేస్ చేయండి, కానీ చూసుకొని చేయండి. సో your money is more valuable than that. So you can go and purchase for jewelry, but footwear, dresses, and for other home decor items you have to think and purchase. So that's it guys. I'll catch you in my next video.